Hi guys, I'm gonna open some Blizzard packs that arrived early today. I did not notice, that's why this is late. So yeah, the first Blizzard packs I'll ever open. Yeah. Oh yeah, I already opened some in case you guys are wondering why it doesn't say new for anything. I already have 2 Santa Clauses, so yeah, but yeah, so wait, what? Nah. What? This is insanity. How did we pull a Chroma? Bro, this is like the cutest dog ever. And this is the only Chroma I wanted. Like, the Chili Chameleon looks pretty bad in my opinion. It looks at me with a stare that's like, I want to kill you or not look at you. But damn, that doggy was nice. Let me just resell quickly. I can't believe I don't have the reindeer. Yeah, speed. Oh my gosh. How do I still not have it? Open. Resell. Do I get anything?